Real estate term of the day, alienation clause, also known as due on sale clause. When you go to a closing, when the owner is about to have a closing and they have a loan, a promissory note against the house, it has to be paid for. Why? Because you have this clause there. If you didn't have the clause, they have to give you the option. Do you want to pay off the loan or you want the entire check? Imagine a sale of $500,000 where your loan it's at 300,000. So do you prefer to walk away with a $500,000 check or you prefer to walk away with a $200,000 check? How many of us would take the 500,000? Oh, I'll take the 500,000. I continue to pay my $2,000 a month to the bank, right? I'm sure a lot of people will take that option, but lenders know about this, and this is why they have the alienation clause, also known as due on sale. So when you go to closing, the loan must be paid off in full. Hey, for more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to set up a one-on-one tutoring session for the state test on agents or brokers, I'll be more than happy to help you. Till next time.